Good players in the middle. Here we go. Tuck away. They'll need to have a look at. They'll take a few deliveries. That tells it.
Naeem Islam Jr. starts with a poor delivery and been put away for a boundary. Brad Hodge opens it. A reverse straight away. What a shot that is. And they're not holding themselves back, and they can't afford to do that. Tried to play a reverse because it was a pressure created in the previous over. Just couldn't get it fine. Straight to the fielder, Sean Irwin. Mustard. Gone for six.
Has been promoted in the order. He's coming because of good innings behind him of 35 balls, and it's into the action straight away. It's being hit hard, but has it got the distance? It has. It has the wings to take it over for a 6. What a way to start the innings.
Like to bat straight away, taking his left leg out of the way, and bang, out she goes, up high in the air, and a good distance, 86 meter.
He's going down the wicket and slapped it away. Slapped it between the fielders in the covers. That struck truly.
But that's gone through. That'll be 4. Not the best of the effort. Yes, it was hit very hard. Sean Irwin once again the fielder. 4 more. Is he the man for Barishal Burners? Short and put away. Another 4. This is good cricket from Shabir Rahman. That was short and there was hit away. Back for him. That's gone up in the air. Don't bother running. 1-2 bounce over to the fence. 16 runs in that.
Short ball, and that's been put away. So Barishal are now really getting a move on.
There was some protection on the offside, but a bad line to ball upon. Brad Hodge just picked that up quite early into the...
4 more. That again stood up to be hit. He's either bowling it in the block hole or he's bowling it short. Oh wow! What a fantastic shot! This is a delight for any connoisseur of the game. That's over the top, and there's that fielder who's just been placed there and who takes it! Goodness me! Talk about planning on the man.
Brad Hodge had to go against that one. There was no question because they have got a big task up their heels. The bowler Tajul Islam completing the set.
Bowled him! Islam it is. Tajul Islam. Wasn't that short, but ending in a wicket.
Tajul Islam, the man of the moment for the last 5 minutes or so, completing the catch of Brad Hodge, and this time what a length that was. That was a quick innings of 28.
Oh yes, that is a terrific shot. That's gone the distance.
Come back into this game.
Oh, really well played. He just caressed that over extra cover. It's the pace of the delivery that helped him. That was a faster delivery, inside out, perfectly executed for 4.
A calculated stroke into the gap. Just 2 bounces over the boundary line. Joe Dunley is finding some momentum now after the departure of Brad Hodge towards the weekend.
Oh, that is huge! Gosh, that's monstrous. 6 for Denley. That's in the air. There is a fielder under it, but he's only a mere spectator. It was almost one-handed. It's taken everybody by surprise, including Irvine.
Foreign players.
Actually, foreign player খুব কম্বিনেশন হয় অনেক ভালো তারা অনেক মিশতে পারে আমাদের সাথে
Okay, so we're going to
down. It's the dangerous looking Joe Denley. Played all round it.
Yeah, not in line at all. It kept on pegging away. It's paid off. And Joe Denley walks back after stands. His varied hobbies. where it interests. Oh, that should have been stopped.
Or hit hard for 2 at this stage. That's hit handsomely by Azhar Mahmood. That's 1-6 that they need.
That the bat speed, the connection, point of contacting was the sweet part, and that's why it went there was 81 meters.
Just the 5th 6. Flicked in the air, but safe. 1 bounce 4. Just the start Burners did need, and it's from the bat of Kapali.
Struck with purpose and knowing exactly where he's going to put it. He knew that it was going to clear the infield and there were no fielders in that deep in that area, so it was a safe enough shot to play.
Moves across, but finds the fielder. They'll get one. Direct hit, so Kapali looks like he'll be struggling. He
Tries for it, and he had given up, as I said. Well short.
didn't even need to go upstairs. Munir Hussain, the fielder.
That's gone. They need few more of these. It's a good blow from Azhar Mahmood.
Azhar Mahmood already got his highest total of this BPL. It was a great find, and this time coming down the track with a wild swing of the bat, lofted one, cleanly hit out of the park. 82 meters hit, sufficient enough on the boundaries. 71 required now.
One more. He's cutting loose. Another one bites the dust.
Momentous task indeed. 214 required total.
That's it high up in the air. Another 6. What an over for Borishal Burners. All of a sudden, that's Khalid Mashood Pilot, the former captain and the coach of the Duronto Rajshahi. All of a sudden, a couple of sixes from the bat of Azhar Mahmood. I mentioned about Kabir Ali. He's a very fine hitter. And what a time to bring up a 6. Loose delivery on the legs, a full toss.
First, well knitted in cement. This one into the block hole, and once again for 4 runs. Just reaching onto that one.
So out of the 7 deliveries they have faced, that's nicely played. They picked up 26. Making room and making sure they get some top of that one, and finds the gap, finds the boundary. 6 of 24. Can this be their partnership? Once again, it was there to be hit. It's hit it straight to the fielder. Moin Ali takes the catch. Abul Hassan gets the breakthrough.
14 runs in an over. They had to hit every delivery right from the start of the innings. Moin Ali. Brisk innings of 12. Barsal Burners now 161 for 6.
Yeah, he's greeted him with a big 6. What a shot that is. Magnificent to bring up his 50. Oh, there's a long shout. He's been given. Look at Jason.
They had some nick from the bat. No, that bat was hitting on the ground. So that was a great decision in the end. Yes, they are delighted.
Lucky. Oh. Could have been stopped, but it's gone. One for a boundary.
Burners. Once again going for a big heave. Another edge will take to boundary. Yes, 4 runs. It's maybe 15, 16, 17. No, this time once again going for a big shot. Lofted one. Cleared the boundary after bounce. 4 runs.
It's getting interesting. Probably wanted to make sure that it doesn't steps over. That's gone through. So have to wait and see a signal from the umpire. Likewise, 4 to finish the over. 18 in that over. It's still not good enough. But look at the total, 209 for 7. Yes, so close yet so far. Duronto Rajshahi wins by 4 runs. Burners, valiant effort, going in win. He'll be very happy. Nurul Islam Momi, the captain. You would have thought that 213 that they posted turned out to be a winning one, and it does.
Well, absolutely. Let me tell you, if those feelings on the faces of Duranto Rajshahi and Barcelona is of a stark contrast, but still, they just pulled it off. But look at the difference, only of 4 runs, and then after a day or two, if you end up looking at the scorecard, you couldn't feel that how much close that one was.
Assistance from Hodge and Chabbe, 23 and 28. An equal contribution, 31 from Denley and Mahmood.
Partnership that was turning the momentum, and the spills and thrills were once again transferred for Barcelona, but maybe that was too little, too late, so they couldn't end up winning that one. That the margin was quite lesser one, only in the single digits, only 1 shot away they would have been amongst the wickets. The economy rate, Naeem and Abul and Islam got some bad economy rates courtesy.
Duranto Rajshahi 213 for 6 was turning out to be a good total, really big total. Tamim Iqbal 66, commentary 62 of just 25, and Sean Irving hit some big blows in the end to take the total over the 200. 3 wickets for Kapali, 2 for Shafiul. In the end, Barish Albanas, good chase. Azhar Mahmood was the key player, but once he got dismissed on 54, he also took the hopes back